So we bought this little device for my daughter who loves to read on her Kindle. And as you can see, it comes with this little clip and this little small device that you can charge. And basically, we're just pushing this button right here. It actually changes the page. So you can place it anywhere you want.
I know you two are responsible. How? I don't know. Do you have any proof? I mean, this is a country of law. Proof is here, inside my gut. You must have a lot of proof in your... Ever since you...
It's a site that I use, clicks and moves down automatically, just like this. And if you're wondering what manga this is, it's called Here Comes the Silver Spoon. Love it. Great manga.
I was with her, and her mother was asking her the questions. We were asking if she knew the person.
Baby shark,